Hi guys and welcome back. I am coming to you with a change of scenery today. I'm going to take you guys with us when we go to Exbury Gardens and hopefully the steam train as well. We're super excited. Basically, we are here in New Forest. We did the same thing last year, but what I usually do is actually help my relatives out. So it's my cousin's granny. She's over 90 years old and has dementia basically. The family has gone away, so we are looking after her for about a week now. So basically the plan is it's only half an hour away, so we are planning to go there. It's around the Easter holidays. Basically my son is in preschool, he's 3 years old and he has 2 weeks half term, so we have plenty of time to basically potter around. But don't worry guys, I have been working as well, so because it's been half term, it's actually been a little bit tricky because I've been with him during the day, so I've tried to like catch up with work during the evenings and when he's napping. And luckily now that my husband is off because it's bank holidays and like weekends and stuff, I managed to do a lot of work yesterday. But basically enough of that, enough about work. Let's actually go and have some fun. But before we do, please do like this video if you enjoy the content. I do these in my spare time and work full time as well, so even just a little like, it goes a long way, so would really appreciate that. But basically, if you guys enjoy it, I hope that you do. We are a bilingual family, speaking both Russian and English, so you'll spot that as well. And I'll take you guys on the journey with us, so I hope you enjoy. I got her some hot cross buns yesterday because it was Good Friday and there's not much left. We actually had a dozen and there's only 2 left. So what I'm going to do, something that I absolutely love doing actually, yes, coffee as well, but don't worry guys, that's decaf. I love toasting hot cross buns. Am I the only one who does it? It's absolutely delicious, especially day 2. Day 1, I wouldn't do it because they're all nice and fluffy, but obviously day 2 is absolutely fine. So what I'm going to do is actually cut that in half and pop that in the toaster. They're counting shoes. Apparently they have 6. Wer hat den Deck? Ah. Nice. Сейчас не увидишь, надо еще подождать полчасика, когда доедем. The driver. Why? Why? Because we're driving to him, мы туда едем. Steam train. Налево посмотри. Вот, белая лошадка, коричневая. Ой, как их много. Видел? Thank you. Sounded fake, didn't it? Exbury Gardens. Welcome to Exbury Gardens and steam train. Whoa. Choo choo.
Wow, look at this old station.
Aiden, have you got the map?
Yeah.
Where do we go?
This is not helping.
Куда мы идем?
This.
We have an Easter trail
Mom,
to follow. Da.
we're going on that one.
Oh my goodness, you
Oh
okay?
my God. How on earth do you manage to do these
I
things?
think you jumped. So, got an Easter trail, but we can't figure out where we are and where we are on the map. Therefore,
Okay, we've got to go left.
oh, we're going.
Once we get across the bridge of the Heather Garden. Come on in, Aiden, this way.
When you have a headstrong toddler, well, 3-year-old, teenager. Come on, Aiden. So we have to figure out what egg is which.
No, what bird laid
What
it?
bird laid the eggs? Okay. Ah,
And
so there's
clues along
6
the trail.
clues along the trail.
Even though there's 6, but then another one at the end where we have to rearrange these words.
Okay, so that's more of a puzzle.
Yeah, wait.
Oh.
You're a witch. Now we're going to the witch's garden.
No, we're not going to the witch's wood.
Oh, the witch's wood.
Then I could go to the big one.
Aiden has this new thing of wanting to throw rocks and branches into any puddles or lakes. So we are going towards the lake and going to do exactly that. Careful.
Let's get some more. Get some more. Ah, it's a bigger.
Careful. Panicking each time he goes to the edge.
Yeah.
Let's get some more.
Last one.
Последний. Последний кидаешь. So pretty. Whoa. We are at a bridge. Let's see what's over the bridge. Oh. I thought there'd be a nice river underneath. But there's nothing
Nice path.
but a nice path.
It's a nice concreted road.
Ta-da!
Next one.
Witch's Wood. We need to come back. Easter Trail this way. We finally found the entrance. Blimey, that took a while.
You have a look around, Aiden. Watch out. What's that one there?
Did we see any birds? Давай, возьми мою ручку, чтобы я не боялась. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Off to see on Christmas cards. There we
Yes,
go. Christmas
I think
cards,
that's
this
the one.
Right, so that's a robin. Why is that an H? Oh, I see, there's an H next to it, I see.
Oh,
So we put a H there. Aiden, look, yeah, H there. Don't take that off. Aiden.
Эйден, не надо, пожалуйста,
No.
так делать, нельзя. Нехорошо.
Ruining it for all the other children. Come on. What's this one? Look, what's this one? Wow! A buzzard's wingspan
And a
can
T.
be up to 120 centimetres. How wide are your arms stretched out, and if you had wings? Right, stretch your arms right out.
Wow.
That's really wide. Buzzards like to live in woodlands near open fields. They lay their eggs in their large nests. So
we're
this
gonna
one
put
is the
T.
wingspan one, that one.
Whoa, the large wingspan.
Buzzard.
Wow, how pretty. Как красиво. We need to find 4 more clues to get the chocolate egg, Aiden. Number 3.
Or our smallest songbirds. Wow, I know which one that is then. Smallest songbird. Out the way of the
Daddy's
clue.
very good at this.
Out the way. Don't take that off. And live all. Oh my goodness me.
Aiden, that's number 3. In
How am I
3.
supposed to read it if you're in the way? Being very rude. Come on. You stand there so I can see as well. That's it. There.
In 3 clues, you'll have a chocolate Easter egg, Aiden. Should we race to the next one whilst Daddy's writing? eggs. We'll come back if we've missed one. We're having quick snack break. Making sure that we've got, well, we've got 3 eggs, don't we?
3 birds.
3 birds. I keep saying that. And then 3 more. And then we get a chocolate egg, and then we're going to go on the steam train. But na steam train.
No, he's saying I can't have any.
Aiden. Dawaj. Чуть-чуть папе. А то дам еще. У нас ведь еще сумки есть. We're racing to the next one. Race.
Oh.
Oh. An H again.
Oh.
Okay.
What's going on?
That's okay. We might have 2 H's then.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh yes, there is.
Huh?
Flash.
Aiden.
Right, out the way.
Let's read it.
Don't pull them off, and you don't put it down because
Mummy likes to read these.
Children have got to look at it.
Curlews are wading birds and like to eat shrimps, crabs, and earthworms. The end of their bill is sensitive, and they use it like the tweezers to find food in the mud. Curlews nest in the New Forest, so you could spot one from the gardens in the Bewley River. And I assume the river is over there.
Curly.
Whoa, Aiden, это птица. Have kids, they say. It will be fun, they say. He's just been in that puddle about 3 times after I told him off. Aiden, come here, come on.
No.
Should we race?
No.
Oh, okay.
Let's walk.
Let's walk. We found the next one, and there was a squirrel.
There's the R. They had an R, didn't they?
Ah, they had an R. They must have gone a different way. We saw
Can you compete with
different
a nightjar?
family
How many notes a minute can you sing?
that had an R that we didn't have an R.
Nightjars are nocturnal. Don't touch that.
He keeps trying to break
Fly at
it.
night and dawn.
Aiden, you don't
looking
take that
for
off.
food. Aiden, your trousers are going to be dirty. Now get up, please. As opposed to South Africa. Aha, there we go. These
Whoa.
are the ones that
Come on then.
migrate. Here we are. Birds
Are
like
they
to go to
dirty
South
trousers?
Africa.
We've got some in the
Nightjar.
bag for you. У нас есть штанишки, сумки. And then one last one after this one. How many have we got left? Один. Один остался. You don't need to copy the other boys, do you?
Letter at the door.
Последний race. Ah, cuddles. Race. Should we race, Daddy? Race to Daddy. Oh, look at that big mansion. Daddy's running away. Look at that big house. Aiden, not allowed on there. Off that, please. Downton Abbey music. Cue. There's the house on the other side. And we found a basket. Quick. I think we found the last clue.
Oh, look at
Isn't that exciting?
No, don't leave. No.
Hey,
Put
Dad.
that down.
We leave those. I think that's for all the birds. To make nests.
Right. What's this
Это
one called?
Гнездо
Lapwing.
делать. Да, птичкам. Они пользуются. И листиками. И травкой.
They like to call in flying a large flock called a deceit.
No.
A deceit of lapwings.
We're taking a brisk walk to the steam railway to make it on time. I think there's one at 12:30, 1 o'clock and 1:30 potentially. It does, smells of donuts. Ah, lovely. We made it with a few minutes to spare, didn't we? And then they made space for us right at the back, which is perfect. Choo choo.
Where's the order out? What's that? Where's the out?
What out?
This.
What do you mean that it's empty? Tam nikogo nie
No,
ma.
nie.
Straight to Alina? Choo.
Look.
Yeah.
Whoa. Dym. A to my na most jedziemy.
Aidan, what does the steam train do?
We've come off the steam train basically and did a beeline for the cafe, so that's what we're doing now. Oh, Aidan and I are sharing. And then this is Daddy's. Yummy. Let's go get the egg. We've had our lunch. It's time to have something sweet.
We went on the steam train, so we're done with the steam train. Right, I'm going to grab this. Right, thank you both. Take care. And you as well. Take care. There we are.
Thank you. Aidan, what do you say? Thank you. Thanks very much.
It's in there. Should we have a look when we've got our ice
Is
cream?
it shaking or rather? What's that noise? Ah. Let's go get some ice cream now.
Over there.
Ooh. This shack looks good for ice cream. What is Daddy getting?
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Aidan's getting the strawberries and cream, and I am thinking of truly chocolate. That's my one, cherries and cream.
There you go, sweet stick.
Thank you. Is it nice, Aidan? Good.
Cheers, everybody.
We've had our ice cream, we've had our fun, we even went on the steam train as you saw, had a lovely walk around the gardens, saw the actual mansion as well. It was absolutely stunning, and what a lovely day as well. 13 degrees, but it feels like a lot warmer. Actually didn't even need a coat by the end of it. I thought it was a little bit chillier in like the shadows and stuff, but it's been absolutely lovely basically, and thank you so much for coming along with us. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you get to visit this place one day. Basically, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.